Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for um, Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makakuha lahat ng energy ng um, water sign sa mundo. If you want, pwede ka magpabook ng personal reading. virgophilippines at gmail.com. Diyan ka pwedeng mag-inquire sa akin. Let's start what we have here for water sign. For water sign. May napahalo lang na card, guys. Hindi ito. Hindi yun kasama dito sa deck. Okay. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Nagpapakita yung malaking suporta sa akin. Maraming salamat. Okay. Eight of Cups is here. Medyo inaayos ko lang yung ilaw. Okay. Eight of Cups. Well, nakikita natin ito as you thinking about the future water sign. Iniisip mo yung future, ano? You want money. Ten of Pentacles, silver mang ayaw. Pero yung iba sa inyo, pwede nagkakaroon ng pag-iisip regarding sa saan kaya ako pwede magkaroon ng ganito ng money, or kung ano kaya magandang opportunity na mas makakatulong para sa akin para mas mag-gain ako ng money. Okay? So, some of you, ganun ang nasa isip. You want more. You do have your Queen of Wands. Yung iba maybe thinking about business. No? Ano kayang magandang business na simulan para makadagdag sa aking source of income. Yung iba naman hindi. Kasi Queen of Wands is may mga advice. Pwedeng may mga advice na ibinibigay sa iyo regarding businesses. Or any kind of career na pwedeng makakatulong para magkaroon ng dagdag sa iyong money, sa iyong finances, sa iyong kita. Pero, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi ka masyado nagmamadali. Parang alam mo yun, I want that, gusto ko yun. Pero for now, maybe may mga offer na ibinigay sa'yo na may kinalaman sa money, gusto mo yon, pero sa ngayon, hindi ka nagmamadali. You are open sa opinion ng iba. You are open to learn more, know more about bago mo, about that offer or about those things na sinasabi sa'yo bago ka umaccept ng offer. Okay, that's you. Well, you're very professional dito sa energy mo. Person nakakonect mo for the sign of a water sign. Person nakakonect mo. The moon is here, so definitely, ito yung person na pwedeng lumalabas sa dreams mo. The world is at the bottom of the deck. Maybe this is someone na malayo sa'yo. There's distance between the two of you. Nine of Cups and Eight of Coins. Kapareho mo itong tao to, medyo workaholic siya. Nine of Cups, pwedeng marami siyang sources of income. Yeah, Justice card is here. This is Libra energy. Pwedeng itong taong to madiskarte, magaling sa buhay. Well, I'm seeing Justice card as a person na pwedeng meron kayong contract na or nagkaroon kayo ng pag-uusap regarding some kind of contract, documents, ano man yan, tax, whatever. Or pwedeng nagkaroon na kayo ng, both of your name is nasa isang papel. Any kind of contract, any kind of pirmahan na naganap. This could be a reading. Napaka-professional. But then, the moon is here. So, pwedeng ito person na to, ba't lumalabas sa panaginip ko tong taong to? So, pwedeng may mga ganun ka dun. Lumalabas sa panaginip mo itong taong ito. Ten of Wands is here. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Currently, sa ngayon, talagang high chance may separation sa inyo, no? Page of Wands. Clarify the Ten of Wands and the Page of Wands. The Hanged Man. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi mo malet. Pwedeng, eto ha, some of you, pwedeng itong taong to, hindi kanya malet go. Pwedeng may mga messages pa rin siyang nasisend sa'yo. And, ito yung nagiging dahilan for you na maybe messages na may kinalaman sa paghihintay. Or yung iba sa inyo, this is you, na naghihintay ka ng messages mula dito sa taong to. Alin man doon. But you're trying to focus on money. Ten of Coins. Temperance is here. Pwede nang nasaktan or nasasaktan ka sa connection na ito. But I feel like wala kang kakayahan or talagang pigil na pigil ka pagdating sa iyong words or sa pakikipag-connect dito sa taong to, sa communication ninyo na itong taong to. Emotion ng person na ito for you. Okay, I'll take this. Four of Coins. The Lovers and the Eight of Swords. Well, isa sa inyo could be in in a relationship where in stuck. Yeah, there could be a third party situation here. Pwedeng may family na involved. Kasi may mga obligasyon, Ten of Wands. Pero ito, your person could be the one na stuck dito sa situation ninyo. And I can see magnet dito sa picture. Like, you could be dealing with your twin flame, soulmate. May nakita nga pala kung lamok. I mean, hindi dito sa room kung nasaan ako. It's just like a message na something to do with lamok. Pwedeng may kagat ka ng lamok. Or recently, may pinatay ka lamok. I don't know, something to do with lamok. Or you're trying to prevent or you're doing something para makaprevent ka na hindi dumami yung lamok sa bahay ninyo. Okay. Actually, itong person na to, if yung person mo is in a relationship or ikaw itong nasa in a relationship, hinayaan, kung ikaw to na nasa isang relationship, no, hinayaan ka na ng person mo. Hinayaan ka na lang niya. No? If ever na may spiritual connection, like, maybe twin flame connection, for now, it doesn't matter kung anong connection natin, kung spiritual man yan or what. Sa ngayon, hinahayaan na muna kita. So, ganun yung person. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Guys, pwede kang hindi makarelate sa mga sinasabi ko. Huwag mong pilitin, ha? Three of Swords. King of Swords. Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Eight of Wands is some of you pwede may mga gagawin or you need to visit itong dentist or you need to book an appointment sa dentist or I don't know, maybe masakit ang panga mo ngayon, ang beke, o may beke ka or what. Ayun. Or masakit ang ngipin mo, something to do with your mouth. or maybe currently, or nito-nito lang, nagkaroon ka ng maybe a huge, malaking pimple sa pisngi mo, and like you want to pop this pimple, or you have popped this pimple, pinakailman mo, whatever. It's gonna be reading. In the future, there's this King of Swords, Eight of Wands, and Three of Swords. Clarify the Three of Swords. The Hermit, Two of Swords, the Emperor. Some of you may mga desisyon na kailangan kang gawin na may kinalaman sa home, or mga tao na kasali or kasama sa home na yon. The Queen of Coins is at the bottom of the deck. Oh well, you're focusing on money, stability. Medyo natutuwa ako kasi lumalakas or nag-i-improve ang iyong spiritual na kakayahan. Some of you nagkakaroon ng gumagaling ka pagdating sa spiritual, nakakaramdam, etc. And you're using your angel guides, yung intuition mo. You're letting them guide you. Ten of Cups is here. Some of you, you're getting out of your comfort zone. Nakakita tayo dito ng possibility of you nakakita tayo ng pagpapalit ng wardrobe in the near future. Yung iba, you're no longer hiding something sa sarili mo. You're going to show yourself, the real you. Diba? Kasi mas nag-workout sa'yo yung totoong ikaw. Some of you, I can see someone losing weight na pagpayat. In the near future, you're cutting off something. At saka, kaya may ka-cut off yon kasi mas ginagamit mo yung utak mo. And you will be focusing on money. In their future for your person. The Sun, the World. Clarify the Sun and the World. Dalawang major arcana yan, guys. Oh, tatlong major arcana with the Judgment. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups, Two of Wands, Knight of Wands, Six of Wands. Oh my gosh. Someone is going to, may nakikita tayo dito, the Sun is here. Your Sun is coming. Your Sun is coming. Kung dati the Moon lang siya, there's the Sun who is coming. The Moon is medyo mahirap ispelingin, mahirap intindihin. Pero in the near future, mas maiintindihan mo ang taong ito. Lalo na, the world, this person is going to open up sa'yo. Magiging open siya sa kung ano nasa isip niya, plano niya, nasa isip niya, emotion niya, anong tingin niya sa'yo, etc. Hindi mo na kailangan manood or makinig ng mga tarot readings. No, you can listen, pero hindi siya para alamin mo pa kung nasa isip or emotion itong taong to. Kasi soon enough, itong person na to will be the one na siya yung mag-open up sa'yo, sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano talaga nasa isip niya, emotion niya, etc. So, napakaganda. So, yeah. I will end the reading here. Again, if you want to book a reading with me, virgophilippines@gmail.com. May admin ako na mag-a-assist sa'yo. Facebook page namin, Madam P. Ang isearch mo lang, #Unicorn Princess Tarot. Magkakadikit, walang space. Follow me din doon sa Facebook. Ma-appreciate ko yung follow ninyo. And comment ninyo guys, kahit heart lang, smileys, kahit nga tuldok lang. malaking bagay sa akin yun. So again, this is your reading. Maraming salamat po and bye-bye.